Let's read the question. We have 3 separate parts, all about progressions. Part A uses the terms 4, 8, 16. Parts B and C ask us to work with arithmetic progressions, one involving unknown p and one about polygon angles. The amber box covers everything given to us, and mint boxes everything we need to find. So here is what we are trying to find. 3 tasks. Identify the G, P, and find its NTH term, then solve 2 arithmetic progression problems. Before the algebra, let's see it. Each term is double the one before it. The ratio between consecutive terms stays the same, which is exactly what defines a geometric progression. Step 1, Part A. We identify the type of sequence. Divide each term by the one before it. 8 over 4 is 2. And 16 over 8 is also 2. Both ratios are 2. The common ratio is constant, so this is a geometric progression. Step 2. Now find the NTH term. We use the G, P, NTH term formula. Tn equals a r to the n minus 1. Our first term is 4, and the common ratio is 2. Plug them in. Rewrite 2 to the n minus 1 as 2 to the n over 2, then simplify. 4 over 2 is 2, so we get 2 times 2 to the n, which is 2 to the n plus 1. Park that, Tn equals 2 to the n plus 1. Step 3, an arithmetic progression. We need to find the first term in terms of p. For an A, p, the NTH term is a plus n minus 1 times d. Call the first term a and the common difference d. The second term gives us a plus d equals 5p minus 10, so d equals 5p minus 10 minus a. The 10th term is 7 times a, so a plus 9d equals 7a, which gives 9d equals 6a. Substitute equation 1 into equation 2. Replace d with 5p minus 10 minus a. Expand the brackets. Collect the terms on the right. Divide both sides by 15 and simplify to get a equals 3p minus 6. Park that a equals 3p minus 6. Step 4. A polygon whose interior angles form an A, P. The smallest angle is A, the largest is 5A. The A, P sum formula will help here. The A, P has n terms, first term and last term 5A. Using the first plus last shortcut for the A, P sum, the total of all angles is 3NA. And the sum of interior angles of any n-sided polygon is n minus 2 times 180 degrees. Now equate the two expressions. 3n equals n minus 2 times 180. Expand the right side. Divide both sides by 3n and simplify. A equals 60n minus 120 all over n. Park the final result for Part C. Here are the 4 answers. Part I, this is a geometric progression because the common ratio is 2 throughout. Part A Roman 2, the NTH term is 2 to the n plus 1. Part B, a equals 3p minus 6. Part C, A equals 60n minus 120 all over n.